Hello. Hi, this is me, Kirby, testing another video recording. I'm here now in my residence in far away. Um, Unfortunately, I'm having trouble trying to make the webcam and microphone work at Ubuntu Studio like I usually do before. Right now I'm recording using my Intrepid version. So maybe my Ubuntu Studio will be for recording audio only, and all of my other videos are here. Excuse me. For the past few, I mean, last week, yeah, I got sick. I have cough and some phlegm, blah. So I'm getting well. A microphone. Please pardon the microphone. Okay, so see you guys next week. I think maybe I can start recording again. So okay.